you are looking for a lightweight functional table, but you don't want one of those big 4-foot or 6-foot tables. So I want to show you this one. Came out of the box in these two pieces. I'm going to show you how to put these together. I did receive this as a gift from the company so that I could show it to you and tell you why I like all of the great features. Let me show you why this is so versatile. So I'm going to show you how you can put this together. So you're going to take the skinnier legs and just line up the notches on the left side, line up the notches on the right side, and then I'm just going to do that with the legs. See how lightweight it is? And now you've got a table that is a really nice height. If I was sitting in a chair, this would be perfect to put my MacBook on and a notebook and do some work. So now let me show you how it looks at a different level. So now I'm going to show you how easy it is to change it. So I'm going to take the two bars here, just pull them together, slide it out, and go to the next slot, just like that. Push it together, and now I have a shorter table. And we can go in 2 more increments. Let me show you what the lowest setting looks like. Now I'm going to show you the lowest setting on this table, which is the second notch from the end. There we go, super easy. And there, if you're sitting on the floor, you may be coloring with the kids, you could do it just like this. Now I want to show you how easy it is to put it together to store it. Okay, now we're going to do the very furthest edge, the very furthest notch on either side. Push it down, and now I can store it. See how narrow that is? We've also got an extra clip here to keep the bars in place. So I can carry it like this real easy and slide it in between like the washer and the dryer, you know, a spot like that. So thanks again. This is super handy, lightweight. I'll tell you, I am going to use this for my garage sale. For sitting there taking money, we'll have the money box. It's gonna be absolutely perfect. That's why I wanted this. And I really like that it has that versatility of the different heights of the table. I'm gonna go ahead and put the link down below in the description so you can go grab one for yourself. And if you like this video, if you found it helpful, please hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more product reviews of cool products like this, please hit subscribe.